In this video, I will show you how to uninstall and install games on Steam so you can manage storage space and keep your PC running smoothly. To get started, what you want to do is open up Steam and log into your account. So if you come up to the top left hand corner, click onto library, you're going to find all your games over here on the left hand side. The installed games are going to be highlighted, whilst the games that are currently not installed are going to be greyed out. So if we click onto Terraria, for example, to install this game, you're going to see a blue install button. All you need to do is simply give that a click, and then it's going to ask where you want to install this to. So I'm going to install this to my C drive and then click install. As you can see, it's going to start downloading and installing this game. And once the game has finished installing, the install button is going to change to this green play button, which means the game has now been installed and you are good to play that game. Now, if you want to uninstall the game from Steam, then the process is slightly different. So what you want to do is come back to your games library, find the game that you want to uninstall from your list of games on the left hand side. So I'm going to take Terraria again as the example, and what you want to do is right click onto the game. What that's going to do is bring up a small menu like this, and from here you want to come and hover over manage, and on the sub menu you're going to see an option to uninstall. So give that a click. It's going to ask if you would like to install this from this device. Now it's still going to remain in your games library, so if you want to play it in the future, you of course will need to first re-download and install it. All you need to do is click the blue uninstall button. As you can see, that's going to go ahead and uninstall the game from your Steam library. So that's how to uninstall and install games on Steam. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute, thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.